All right. What you're going to do is you're going to work with a partner. I will let you choose your partner. But I want to go over a couple things before we start working on it. So you're going to work with your partner, and then you're going to get your assignment for today. So this is not your homework. This is your pre-homework, okay? So if you waste all your time talking to your friend instead of working, then you're going to have double the homework because you'll have to do this and your actual assignment, okay? So for number 1, are the y's by itself in both equations? Yes. So you just have to graph it in slope-intercept form. On number 2, are the y's by themselves? Okay, so you just graph it in slope-intercept form. Number 3, are the y's both by themselves? No. Which one? The top one or the bottom one does not have y by itself? The top one. Okay, how am I going to get y by itself? Add 2x. Add 2x. So the equation would be y equals 2x plus 4. I would write that down. 2x plus 4. Then you also have your second equation, y equals 2x, and that one's already by itself, so you don't have to do anything to it. On number 4, are the equations y by itself? No, so what do I do to get y by itself? Add 4x, because it's a minus 4x. So then I would get y equals 4x plus 8. Now, on that second equation, is y by itself? Yes, but is it in slope-intercept form? How do I get it in slope-intercept form? Distributes. So you're going to get y equals something. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Number 5 is y by itself. How do I get y by itself? I'm going to minus x. So y equals negative x plus 3. And then what do I have to do with the bottom one? Distribute. On number 6 is y by itself. No, so what do I do to get y by itself? This one I'm going to add x because it's a minus x. So I get y equals x minus 2. On number 6, it's y equals 2. What's your y-intercept?
0.
Open your notebooks to page 42. Show me with your arms what type of line this is going to make. Y equals 2. What type of line is this going to make? Every single one of you are wrong. It's y equals 2. Looking at your equation, which one says y equals? This one or this one?
Wait, did I do this wrong in my notes?
This one. So y equals 5 in your notes, and what type of line does it make? A horizontal line at, well, in this one it's 5, but in the problem on the board it's going to be 2, because this is where y is 2, this is where y is 2, this is where y is 2. So that is going to be your y equals 2 line. Okay, because you don't have a slope in that one, it's 0, right? So you can choose your partner, choose wisely. Yes, you do have to have a partner for this. You don't have to do your homework together. 1 through 6, you're going to graph it. You have to write a final answer. So remember, after you graph it, if they intersect, you need to tell me what point they intersect. If they don't intersect, they are parallel. What is your answer? No solution. If they are the same line, what is the answer? Adding. Okay. All right. Go.